went to the bathroom because you know I'm stupid.
It is nice.
Oh, I should have really brought my PS4.
Bro, I'm sleeping on it. I'm sleeping in this little chair.
Vamos rušiti stretu. In the restroom. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's she walking so fast for? Weirdo.
Leave us.
Let him leave. Where's he gonna go? So my family and I were fasting today, and we're about to go eat at a Somali restaurant.
We got all the stuff.
I getting time for Eid prayer. I don't have an abaya. This is my first Eid without an abaya, without henna, and without my family, and not being in Seattle.
That's it.
Whoa, 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 Ma'ad, let me see you. Damn. Damn. Don't let go, Ma'ad. Or it's gonna fly away. Oh.
Let's go.
Oh, you're blocking Mama's face.
All the balloons record them just so pretty.
No, don't let go. So, we just finished praying. And there you got balloons and they're messing around in the back. We're on our way to a pastry shop we went to 5 years ago, last time we were here, which is in Anaheim. I can't speak English. In Anaheim. So yeah, they got nice pastries.
Oh yeah, come to Europe.
I can imagine saying this right now.
Oh, we're here!
Mama sounds like
She's so excited to see Kaiser Permanente. Like, damn, have you ever seen anyone so excited about the workplace?
Church.
No, it's like the whole street of
I'm correct to this one here.
Goodness, I missed the other one I showed.
Look at these trees, bro. Oh, I love the trees. Mama, bye. Hi. Mango. Can you get up there? Whoa. Oh my god. Yeah. Damn. Take that L, Bakar. Oh, you got nothing on him. Okay. Damn. You? Ew. You. Hey. Hey. Oh. Go, Baba. Go, Baba. Come on. Baba, adik na.
top of a freaking hill at the very edge.
Whoa.
No worries, okay, you're in good hands. I might not have a license, but I have a lot of... Right, here we go, right. Ta-da! Can you see the school of Harry Potter?
Where?
Can you see Hogwarts?
Okay. Ooh, don't we look good together? You're not having it. That's oh my god. Whoa. Yep, after a long day, 6 o'clock. Everyone looking rough. I did not get a good photo. Wait, is that from the block? Didn't get a good photo of myself. Oh, what if a car hits us as we walk this way? Madi! I'm big sad. What the heck? I'm not your damn target. Oh, okay, oh,